OmniScan MX2 training program, use of SetupWizard. The SetupWizard, after Part and Weld Wizard completes, where we create groups. Select Setup, Start. Groups can either be modified or new groups created by selecting either Add or Modify. Group modes options include the phased array, which would use a phased array probe connected to the 128 pin connector on all modules. UT conventional ultrasound using the PA connector. This would be an adapter that is sharing pins of the 128 phased array connector for other accessories such as TOFT or conventional UT, or conventional UT directly from the BNC connectors from a compatible module. Select phased array, next. With auto detect on, the probe is automatically detected from the software. All of the information relative to the probe for the focal law calculator is entered automatically. Wedges are selected from the database. The angle of the wedge, orientation, height, velocity, and offsets. All of the information necessary from the wedge to populate the focal law calculator. There are wedge entries for reversing the probe. There are wedge entries relative to different positions within the probe, so care must be taken to select the correct wedge. Select Next. The scan and index offsets are relative to encoded scans with a scanner. The skew is the orientation of the beam relative to the mechanical movement of the probe. And for a manual inspection, these are left with the defaults. Select Next. We can either finish the Setup Wizard now or continue to the Focal Law Wizard. Select Finish. And that completes the MX2 Setup Wizard.